explain, I took some random 7 consensus algorithm. I try to explain it over here. The first one is very famous, and in fact, a very early stage also in 2019, right? Our own Satoshi Nakamoto, while you are coining the Bitcoin with the blockchain technology, he actually formed this proof of work. In fact, one of the mining mechanism, right? What we try to explain you, right, in the earlier session, right? Creating a hash and trying to solve the hash and create one more hash that value is lesser than the target hash, right? That is nothing but the hashing mechanism. So that is a proof for the work, number one. So I created a hash from all the thing, including the timestamping, including the nodes, right? You know, the timestamp also every second, right? Keeps on changing, nanoseconds keeps on changing. And with that only I'm creating a hash. And that hash value is lesser than the target hash. So that is my proof of work. So that was introduced in 2009 by the Satoshi Nakamoto himself. And the objective of introducing this proof of work is actually the moving from the centralization to the decentralization. So the proof of work algorithm is a very famous one. And now we have a lots and lots of consensus mechanism in the market, right? Some examples are already there. We'll also look into some more example, right? And first it got introduced in the Bitcoin. We all know that Bitcoin is a public permissionless blockchain, right? Public permissionless blockchain, Bitcoin. In that one, we use the consensus. So I am repeating, right? In the morning, somebody asked the question, right? What kind of consensus mechanism is being used in the public permissionless? The first example is proof of work, right? What is the advantages of this, right? Number one, doing the work is not so easy. So mathematically, right? People ask the question. I told, right? Create a hash, create a change the random number, and but you know what is the difficulty, right? The timestamps keeps on changing, right? And it's each and every small changes. We have a different hash. That hash value most of the time will be greater than the target hash value. You know, you remember we also discussed about difficulty. So the Bitcoin network team, right? They also increase the difficulty over a period of time. So I need to showcase the proof, right? And then the miner does the work, showcase the proof to all the people, in fact, and thereby they are declared as a winner. So this is a very famous one. In fact, this is also most frequently used consensus mechanism out of all, right? So we already discussed the concept of miners. Here they use the concept of cryptographic hash. I'm sure now you have familiarized with what is caching, right?